We all dream of shiny, smooth, and strong hair. But let's be honest, those long, complicated hair remedies can sometimes feel like too much work. Well, I have got amazing news for you. In today's video, I'm sharing a simple yet super effective hair care game changer. Deep conditioning at home. Trust me, this method will not only save you time, but also give you salon-like results at home. Ready to transform your hair? Let's dive in. What deep conditioning does for your hair. Before we get into the steps, let me quickly tell you why deep conditioning is a must in your hair care routine. It adds an insane amount of shine and smoothness, reduces frizz and breakage, hydrates your hair and locks in moisture, prevents damage and repairs split ends, boosts elasticity for stronger hair. Now that we know why it's amazing, let me show you exactly how to do it at home. Shampooing. Start by shampooing your hair. Focus on your scalp. Massage gently, and let the suds flow through your hair lengths as you rinse. Avoid over-shampooing the ends to keep your hair's natural moisture intact. After rinsing, gently towel dry your hair to remove excess water. No harsh rubbing. Apply conditioner strategically. Divide your hair into sections for even application. Take your deep conditioner, or regular conditioner, and apply it thoroughly to the lengths and ends of your hair, leaving about 2 inches from your roots. Use a wide-toothed comb to distribute the product evenly through the hair. Make sure no strand gets left behind. Here's the pro move. Take a microfiber towel or a cotton t-shirt, soak it in warm water, and squeeze out the excess water. Wrap it around your hair. If you don't like wet, warm towels, no problem. Pop the towel in the microwave for a few seconds to warm, and you're good to go. Let this sit for 20 to 30 minutes, giving the conditioner time to work its magic. Finally, rinse your hair with cold water. This step seals in moisture, enhances shine, and makes your hair, so smooth. Do this once or twice a week, and watch the magic happen. And there you have it, an easy, at-home deep conditioning routine that will leave your hair shiny, smooth, and totally obsessed-worthy. Try this out, and let me know in the comments how your hair feels after. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep shining.